Hey, are you looking for some money motivation, something that can get your mind right when it comes to pursuing your financial dreams, your goals? If so, you should be listening to these people. Hey, what's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I want to share with you something that truly helps me out when it comes to getting my mindset right and achieving goals and staying focused when it comes to making money online and really almost in whatever I'm trying to do in life that's outside of the norm of the 9 to 5 or just doing the normal everyday stuff. There's three people that I want to spotlight, and three people that you can immediately start looking into, listening to, and following. And the cool thing is, these three people are, in my opinion, they're all completely different, different styles, different backgrounds, almost different message, right? But they all, if you just kind of listen to them, all you're gonna get something from each one of them, or maybe one of these individuals will stand out to you. I'm stuttering. Will stand out to you, and you just roll with them. But each of these people are pretty cool. The first person I want to talk about, which is kind of, no, I won't say controversial, but I mean he has some haters out there, but the dude killing it when it comes to making money and making business, right? And having multiple businesses. And that's Mr. Point this way, Grant Cardone. All right, if you're not familiar with Grant Cardone, all you gotta do is just YouTube him. Just put in Grant, and I'm sure Cardone will come in, short right after in the recommended. Grant Cardone, really, he's known for his books, like the 10x books. Basically, it's where I'm actually gonna do a review on it. But 10x is basically about when you have a goal, when you're trying to achieve something, whatever you think you need to be doing, you need to times that by 10. Whatever you think you need to be doing, you need to times it by 10. And whatever goals you think you have, you need to, like, if you think, I want to make $100,000 a year. No, you want to go for $1 million a year, right? So Grant Cardone is like all about that. He's all about being a go-getter and like not taking no for an answer, and he's on that mindset. He's a big real estate dude, has a lot of real estate properties and stuff, has a lot of courses out there about real estate, and he does motivational speaking and stuff like that. But when you look in from the aspect of like earning potential and like getting your mind about trying to make money and going for yours, gotta get it. Definitely he's somebody that you might want to look into. Now you might like his style or you might not, you know what I'm saying? You gotta just watch him. It'll only take you a video or two to see if that's your type of personality, if that's somebody that you want to rock with. So that's the first. By the way, these three people, I will put resources in the description of this video. So like Grant Cardone's 10x book, highly recommend it. You can check that out. You can get it on Amazon or even Audible. I'll put that in there, and everybody I talk about, I'll give you some sort of resources so you can check them out. Or you could always just YouTube them, whatever you want to do. All right, the second person who I kind of ran into, this person, I didn't know they were super popular like this, but I ran into them when I listen to Spotify when I'm on a treadmill. When I listen to like motivational stuff, this guy kept coming up in the playlist. His name is Les Brown. This guy is a motivational speaker and a business owner. I think he has multiple businesses, but his motivations speeches are like phenomenal. He's very easy to like he's very relatable. He's pretty funny. And this dude, you can just listen to him for like 20 minutes and then you feel like you can just start your own business. You feel like you can make as much money as you want, right? He definitely puts you in the mindset that anything is possible. And he has, I don't have any of his, but like I listen to a lot of his speeches and stuff, but he does have several very popular books out there. And once again, I'm an Audible type person. I like Audible books because I can just listen to them. But definitely check Les Brown out. Like everything that I heard so far, I haven't heard any whack speeches, nothing that hasn't really touched me here yet. You know what I'm saying? Everything that he says, I'm like, wow. Yeah, and he's good at he tells a lot of stories about how he made it, so degree, and how he made it, and they're very inspirational, and they're very relatable stories that he tells, right? So he's definitely somebody that you definitely want to look into. Once again, no matter what you're trying to do, whether it be make money or make the football team or get a promotion or whatever, this dude, man, he gets your mind right. And the third person that I think you definitely should follow, and this person I think will help you out in just overall life, overall happiness and well-being, and just somebody who I talked about before. Also, somebody that I actually do want to see in person. I'm gonna make it happen. Um, Abraham Hicks, aka Esther Hicks, however you want to call it. Her She is like a I don't know what she describes herself as, but I'll just say she's like a law of attraction expert. To me, she's a little more deeper than that. She talks about getting into the vortex, which is being in a well-being of happiness all the time. She stresses that instead of you worrying about what you don't have, embrace what you do have and find that happy feeling before you get to what you're after, your desires, right? Live in the moment now. Have that, create that feeling that you've been searching for. You can have it now, right? Her big message is everybody that wants something, right? The only reason they want it is because they think it will make them feel better. It doesn't matter what it is. You want your dream girlfriend or boyfriend because you think that'll make you feel good going out on a date, right? With that person, or that feeling you get. You want that pizza with extra pepperoni and sausage because you think that taste, you just feel so good, right? You think getting that raise at your job, going from $15 an hour to 17, you want that so bad. You praying for it and you hoping because you think once you see that extra money on that check, you're gonna feel a certain way. And it's all about feelings, right? And it is so, listen, Abraham Hicks is so legit, it's not even funny. I could do videos on it all day, but I've lived, things that she's talked about, and that Abraham Hicks helps me tremendously. I listen to her at least 5-6 days a week, at least one video on her. And she has a book that I definitely recommend you get. It's called Ask and It Is Given. Link below. You can get it on Amazon. It's also on Audible as well. Unbelievable stuff. She's super cool. But when you talk about manifesting stuff, when you talk about the power of the mind and giving off energy and being in a vortex, which means just being in a well-being state of mind, and not only mind, like spirit, soul, all of that. When you can create the feeling that you desire by thinking that you need something, right? If you can already create the feeling that you would have when you get that $100,000 bonus or whatever it is, right? Or you're making $100,000 a year. That feeling that you think you're gonna get, find it. You can create it now, right? And that's what Abraham Hicks is all about. So you gotta definitely check that out, right? So these three people, Grant Cardone first, Les Brown, and then Abraham Hicks. You can look all these people up on YouTube, Google them, or look at the links below. Check out some of their materials, which are definitely, I would get those and get the books or the audios, whatever you prefer, and you will not be disappointed. Like I said earlier, these people are completely different, and you'll know what I'm saying. All three of these people are completely different, right? So guys, this video hopefully it helped you out. I know this helped you out. If you serious about manifesting goals and reaching goals and making money and being happy, this definitely will point you in the right direction. All right, so comment below list somebody else that you think is a great money motivator, somebody that you listen to, or who's your favorite person, or what do you think about Grant Cardone? What do you think about Les Brown? What do you think about Abraham Hicks? Comment below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe because you see I'm bringing that content. Till the next time. Peace.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out my #1 recommended program for making money online. If you want to be your own boss and be able to work from anywhere in the world, click the link in the description.